Hi, my fellow investors. My 25th week of investing on M1 Finance is over, and I'm here to give you guys an update. So, welcome to my M1 Finance account called the Moneymaker. This is a dividend investing portfolio. It consists 5% bonds, 10% real estate, and 85% stocks. This week I deposited $200. And now let's go back. Now I'm gonna show you how I did this week. I'm gonna tell you right now. It's red because the market was down. Pretty much Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday it was slowly going back up. Friday. All right. So let's go to my stocks, which consists 85% of my pie. Let's see how my stock did this week. Let's go to industrial, which consists 13% of my stocks slice. Caterpillar, I lost $13.93, which is down 8.86%. Lockheed Martin, I lost $10.46, which is down 7.03%. General Dynamics, I lost $9.60, which is down 8.03%. Honeywell, I lost $12.63, which is down 10.45%. UPS, I lost $4.85, which is down 4.85%. Radian Technologies, I lost $7.70, which is down 9.29%. Waste Management, I'm down $5.67, which is down 7.40%. As you guys can see, all my industrial stocks are a bunch of losers for this week. UPS did well, it only lost $4.85. So for this week, my industrial lost a whopping $64.84, which is 8.05% return. I did not earn any dividends. This is pretty bad, so I'm expecting a lot of red on my stocks this week. So this is just the beginning. The no dividend, of course, we're gonna save that for last. Let's go to technology, which is 15% of my stocks slice. Nvidia, wow, I gained 28 cents, which is up 0.14%. IBM, I lost $13, which is down 7.68%. Cisco, I lost $9.51, which is down 5.78%. Skyworks, I'm down $10.39, which is down 6.79%. Microsoft, another winner, I'll gain 22 cents, which is up 0.29%. At least for my tech, 2 stocks won this week, so it's not that bad. For technology, this week I lost $32.40, which is down 4.24%. I did not earn any dividend. At least my technology performed better than my industrial. Alright, let's go to my consumer defensive, which is 10% of my stocks slice. Woo! Bunch of red, people, bunch of red. Alright, Costco, I lost $10.73, which is down 4.27%. PepsiCo, I lost $4.58, which is down 2.59%. Procter & Gamble, I lost $3.36, which is down 2.29%. Walmart, I lost $4.28, which is down 3.15%. Alright, so no winner from my consumer defensive slice. This week, I lost $22.95, which is down 3.23%. $22 isn't that bad, but a loss is a loss. Now let's go to my consumer cyclical, which is 12% of my stocks slice. Bunch of losers, man. Home Depot, I lost $11.62, which is down 4.89%. McDonald's, I lost $7.48, which is down 4.05%. Nike, I lost $5.52, which is down 6.12%. Lowe's, I lost $3.29, which is down 3.75%. So yep, another bunch of losers. My consumer cyclical lost $27.91, which is down 4.65%, and I did not earn any dividends. Alright, let's go to my finance, which is 10% of my stocks slice. I'm really hating this red color right now. Goldman Sachs, I lost $10.31, which is down 7.41%. Visa, I lost $4.42, which is down 3.68%. American Express, I lost $8.40, which is 7.34%. JP Morgan, I lost $11.61, which is down 10.21%. Royal Bank of Canada, I lost $3.51, which is down 6.43%. So a bunch of losers. My finance, I lost $38.25, which is down 7.05%, and I did not earn any dividends. Alright, let's go to my healthcare, which is 10% of my stocks slice. Johnson & Johnson, I lost $10.14, which is down 3.49%. United Health Group, I lost $17.11, which is down 8.56%. Wow, healthcare lost $27.25 this week, which is 5.56% down. I did not earn any dividends. This week is just amazing. I had a really good run last week, but I guess sometimes when you're going up, you must come down, huh? So this week was a pretty bad fall. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, and if you like how I'm sharing this to you guys, please subscribe to my channel, and also smash that like button. Hit that notification bell so that you guys get notified whenever I upload a new video. I upload videos every week. Okay, let's go to my communication, which is 5% of my stocks slice. Verizon, I lost $2.60, which is down 2.10%. NetEase, I lost $2.18, which is down 3.21%. And yes, there's another winner, Activision Blizzard. I gained $1.87, which is up 3.24%. Maybe it has something to do with the new season of Call of Duty, maybe. If you guys don't play that game, you guys can check it out. It's good. It's good to play while you're in quarantine anyways. Or just study stocks so that you'll gain more money. Alright, for my communication this week, I lost $2.91. Oh, at least this is my best loser so far, which is only down $2.91. My return is down 1.17%, and I earned 37 cents dividend. Alright, let's go to my utilities, which is another 5%. Nextra Energy, I lost $3, which is down 2.94 cents. Duke Energy, I lost $2.31, which is down 3.08%. WEC Energy, I lost $2.03, which is down 2.73%. So bunch of losers. Utilities, I lost $7.34, which is down 2.92%. I did not earn any dividends. Now let's go to energy, which is 5%. Chevron, I lost $15.67, which is down 8.36%. Magellan Midstream Partners, I lost $6.98, which is down 9.09%. For my energy this week, I lost $22.65, which is down 8.57%, and I did not earn any dividends. So as you guys can see, it's all red for my stocks, but my no dividend slice, which we're saving for last, is the only green. All right, let's go. My no dividend consists 15% of my stocks slice. And this is a dividend investing portfolio, but this ones, I want to see how much they grow over time. All right, let's go to my no dividend. Tesla, I gained $8.18, which is up 5.60%. So I think Monday or Tuesday, Tesla finally broke $1,000. That was a really good milestone, but as you guys saw this past 2-3 days, the stock was going down, so it's back to $900. Amazon, I gained $3.64, which is 2.50%. Shopify, I gained $2.14, which is up 2.04%. Google, I lost $2.05, which is down 1.88%. Facebook, I lost 69 cents, which is down 0.95%. Netflix, I lost 25 cents, which is down 0.35%. Dexcom, I gained 55 cents, which is up 1.57%. Illumina, I lost $1.25, which is down 3.54%. So as you guys can see, my no dividend slice actually did pretty well this week because of Tesla, Amazon, and Shopify. For my no dividend this week, I gained $10.27, which is up 1.42%. I know it's only $10, but you know, a win is a win, and it's a good thing because this is the only winner that I have for this week from my stocks slice. So for my stock slice this week, as you guys can see, it's all red except the no dividend, and my biggest loss was from industrial, which is $64.84. Per percentage, my biggest loss is energy, which is 8.57%. So at least we have one green this week, so I'm still pretty proud of that. All right, my stocks, I lost $236.23 this week. Wow, that's a lot. That's a big loss. That's more than what I deposited this week. The return is down 4.38%, and my earned dividends is 37 cents. Let's go to my real estate, which consists 10% of my pie. Digital Realty Trust, I lost $7.45, which is down 2.44%. American Tower, I lost $5.68, which is down 2.57%. Public Storage, I lost $7.31, which is down 3.84%. Well Tower, I lost $12.79, which is down a whopping 10.53%. So you guys can see all my rates for this week are a bunch of losers. And my biggest loser is my Well Tower. My real estate, I lost $33.05 this week, which is down 3.97%. But I actually have earned dividend, which is $4.25, which is pretty good. Now let's go to my last pie, which is bonds. It is 5% of my pie, and the only winner slice for this week. For you guys who are new to my channel, I only have one bond on this pie, which is Vanguard Total Bond Market. Okay, so for my bond this week, my Vanguard Total Bond Market gained $2.57, which is 0.52% return, and I did not earn any dividends. Alright, so pretty much for this week, my moneymaker lost $266.71. I lost more than I deposited, which is $200. My return is down 3.96%. My earned dividends for this week is $4.62. So yeah, hopefully next week I will recover. But with all what's going on in the US this past few weeks, the rallies, the looting, riots, and of course the pandemic, which is still going on and which is spiking. So maybe the market is finally catching up. If the market keeps going down, all I know is I'm not gonna sell any of these stocks. I'm just gonna keep shopping, because I know when the market goes down, it will eventually go up anyway. So if you guys are new to investing, take advantage of this dip so that you guys can make money. Alright, so that's it for this week. I'll see you guys again. My wealthy people, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, leave some comments to show some love. Again, this is Andrres telling you to stay true to your path to wealth. Until next time, see you.